Good afternoon. My name is Virginia Jen, and I'm a research soil scientist with the Agroecosystem Management Research Unit in Lincoln, Nebraska. In the next few slides, I'll describe how users can use AgCross to access and visualize data within our ARS networks. I'll also share an exciting new functionality being developed to link AgCross with external data sources stored at other federal agencies. This linkage aims at making AgCross a data warehouse that can provide our users with a one-stop shopping experience for data retrieval. Within the AgCross application, users can search and download specific data by exploring research sites within a number of different networks, such as those shown here. By clicking on a network, users can select a research site, then query for specific response metrics, such as yield, soil organic carbon, greenhouse gas fluxes, and many others. Example queries include searching by a certain time period or by management system. This is an example site within NuoNet, which is also cross-listed with GraceNet. The available data tabs allow visualization of the study experimental design, measured data, and physical study setup through embedded data dashboards, data graphics, and GIS. These tabs are not yet available at all sites, but multiple sites are in the process of developing similar user interfaces. An example of a data dashboard in development is here in Lincoln, Nebraska. This dashboard is being developed for our long-term crop rotation study, going on since 1983. Dashboards are useful tools for researchers, stakeholders, and the general public to visualize and explore site data. Any member location can have multiple data contributions to multiple networks within AgCross. Here are some examples of some of the networks and sites contributed by our Lincoln location. AgCross contributions are made through a standardized data entry template, or the DET, which our Lincoln scientists helped to develop. Today, the DET is our primary archival format for retrieving and reviewing weather, treatment, management, soils, and crop data. This ensures consistency in data version and all associated metadata in a single, easy-to-access location. In addition to querying for data within specific studies, AgCross can also query data across all networks. Let's visualize an example of data availability in AgCross using the cross-site graphs function, selecting the greenhouse gas flux table, then the nitrous oxide variable. In seconds, AgCross has compiled all ARS scientist contributions of soil nitrous oxide data across 30 different sites and multiple networks. That means our researchers can spend less time looking for unconnected data sources and spend more time collaborating with the identified contributors to address our mission-critical agricultural issues. An exciting upcoming AgCross functionality will allow users a one-stop shopping experience to retrieve data from other government websites in addition to our ARS network data. Here is an example of browsing through MADIS weather data from NOAA along with NASA imagery and satellite data. Clicking on the points allows you to see live weather station data and other available data layers shown here on the left side of the screen. Now, if we zoom in to my home state of North Carolina, we'll see an example of grabbing data from multiple layers. We can see an imagery layer covered by a weather data layer and also point data from individual weather stations. Using our data discovery tool, we can select an area of interest to grab all the data layers shown. Layers can be turned on and off by the user. Once the area of interest is chosen, you can select data products, just like shopping online. Simply add images and tabular data to your shopping cart, then download it. Here's all the weather station data in an Excel spreadsheet. And here is MODIS satellite imagery from NASA. Keep in mind that we are not storing other agencies' data, just retrieving it. While this feature is not yet active, we envision AgCross as a data warehouse for ARS and multiple agencies, saving our scientists and other users a lot of time by providing direct links to multiple data sources in a single platform. This concludes my workshop segment. Thanks very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please stick around for the Q&A at the end of this session. Thanks.